Mr. Beltran, you're charged with reckless driving. You're facing up the. We need to fix this because it's the chart. This is not right. It's 30 days and $500 fine. I need you guys to initial this because this is wrong here. The range of punishment.
Okay, time out. This is where it gets serious. A 30-day sentence might sound light, but it's more than just jail time. It's a criminal record for reckless driving. And here's the real kicker. Under Texas law, your car isn't just transportation. It can be seized as evidence or property. If prosecutors prove you were street racing or driving recklessly, they can legally take your car even if it's fully paid off. Too harsh or totally fair? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
30 days in jail and or a $500 fine.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Beltran, I want you to understand that this reckless driving is going on your record. And I've already advised you this before, that the legislature has made it really easy for DAs across Texas to take and seize cars from individuals who participate in this type of action. This now is going on your record. You start acting the fool in a car again and you get pulled over and they charge you with either racing, reckless driving, or something like of this manner, get ready to lose that car. Because I'm telling you, I've had person over person in this court have their car seized because of multiple actions like this. Do you understand? If you want to act like this, go to a special place. They have them in Houston. If you want to race, if you want to do stuff of this nature, they have proper places, but not on our freeways. You understand? You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. What's your question?
My license suspended still.
Can you run his license, Alex? I'm not going to suspend your license, but I don't know if it's already suspended. If it is, don't drive, because driving on a suspended license is a Class B misdemeanor, just like a DWI, just like any other, Class B, and can land you in jail 6 months.
It's eligible. There's no.
They're showing that it's eligible.
I can get my driver's license.
Don't drive until you get your license and car insurance. I'm going to tell you, if you get into an accident and you kill someone or you create $30,000 worth of damage, they're going to come back and they're going to sue you for car insurance for $50 a month. You pay an insurance company to represent you in the event that you get into an accident. They have lawyers that will represent you. That's why you pay for insurance. I have someone who wrote me recently say, hey man, I need help. I have this company that's coming after me for $50,000 and I don't have money to hire a lawyer. Because that's what happens. You get into an accident, you break someone's property, they're going to come after you. You have to hire a lawyer. You understand? Get car insurance. How do you plead to this offense? Guilty or not guilty? I will find you guilty. I'm going to send you to the agreement. It's 3 days in jail. I will give you credit for the 1 day that you've done. All right, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Please see the clerk.
Now be released.
Yeah. How did the meeting, you met with the other two yesterday?
Did.
Great.
The management class is completed. I just have to.
Great. Great. Awesome.
That's done. And you say that we're going to have to talk to Chief about that.
Oh.
So what do we have on docket? Is
Oh, that's Miss Never Play Monopoly. Why? What happened? That's a decision-making class, right?
No, that was on Camacho.
What does she have?
She has the terroristic threat, I think, where she had a gun, a toy gun.
Oh, I thought there was no PTI off in that case. Got it. All right. I don't know. Oh, right. So in that case, you guys are just talking to see what you want to do. When you come back, let us know if you want to set it or whatnot.
Right.
Yeah. Okay.
We're going to try to get her an evaluation too, but it's not a competency evaluation. It's another, she did the TRAS, but it's another evaluation we want to get done for her.
You already did it?
No, we're in the process of trying to get it done.
Set it up for you now so we can get it done quick because I think the case is old too. It's like over 200.
It is getting old.
Can
So
we set it for next week, early next week?
yeah, we can
Okay.
do that. I'll talk to
We'll give you the
This is the moment the judge draws the line. Notice the shift in tone. This isn't just about passing a drug test anymore. It's about accountability. The judge even references another defendant who drank 5 bottles of water just to comply. Dramatic maybe, but it sets the bar. No excuses. This moment shows how judges balance second chances with public safety. Do you think this level of sternness is justified or a bit extreme?
I'm here on Abel Morales, judge. It's a probation on a DWI. There's an MRP. You sent him for a drug test. He wasn't able to take the drug
I'm
test.
revoking his bond. Come up, Mr. Morales.
Judge, he is forthright. When he left here to go take the drug test, he asked for the number for a recovery coach. So we,
I don't know. I ordered him to go take a drug test. You failed to do it. You didn't do it. There are consequences for action, dude.
I went. I just couldn't go.
he was there, he just couldn't use
I
the
stayed till
bathroom.
5 o'clock.
They give you water. There's no reason why you can't go. I had a lady the other day, she had 5 bottles of water to be able to go. She was there for 4 hours. There's no reason why you can't.
I asked for water. They told me there's a water fountain that didn't really work on the 5th floor.
Judge, we know what the outcome of the drug test is going to be. He has not he's been forthcoming with me from day one about that. And he does have a probation in writ court pending as well. And
He's still using Kavita. It's unacceptable. And I can't just let him go because he's just going to continue to use. He's going to continue to do what he wants to do. And it doesn't work like that. You've done nothing on your probation. I ordered you to go take a drug test. You didn't do it. There are consequences to action. And he now goes with you.
I understand, Judge, he is possibly going to go to SADF on writ court.
I think that's exactly what we need. No, that's what we need. And I'm going to tell you now, I will not let you go. I can keep you for the next 3 years until you come clean. We will continue to dance together. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Does he-
I'm not running from anything. I mean, I don't mind going to take a test right now. I just
Ship had
couldn't
sailed,
go.
Mr. Morales. I gave you the opportunity. That ship sailed. I gave you the opportunity on this DWI. I've given you multiple chances. You have literally done 0 while you've been on this probation. So, you want a back rub too?
I'm not asking for any leniency.
In life, when you put your heart and soul into it, you can achieve damn near anything. That's what's so great about this country. You don't live in other places where you don't even have internet. You can do anything you want. Mind over matter. I've given you chance, I've given you after chance, and you've repeatedly failed and you continue to use. Now I do it my way. Goes with you. Sorry, Kavita.
Judge, he's probably going to go through his treatment in SADF. There's some pending stuff that they're waiting to get him into that program.
Yeah.
And I'll follow up with the felony probation as well. In regards to his probation here, if he goes to SADF, are you going to unsat term him?
No. I'm keeping him. I want to know how the SADF goes. And then I want to continue with the aftercare. Because he'll go to SADF for however long it is, assuming he completes it successfully, does it, he gets into aftercare and we maintain hands on him until aftercare is completed. If he completes it, if he doesn't, right back to SADF.
The I ate some gummies defense isn't holding up in court, whether it's THC gummies or straight up weed. Once you're under supervision, any violation is a red flag. What the judge is really hinting at goes deeper. Repeated infractions suggest bigger issues. If someone keeps breaking probation conditions this often, should the court keep offering treatment or revoke the bond? What's your take? Is the system being too patient, or is this the kind of compassion real rehab needs?
Once again, we just did it with someone else, right? And we're going to continue to do it until he's clean. We're gonna beat it in one, just beats the right in.
I take it I can't work something out with the state. Thank you, Judge.
I asked you one thing, two things, technically. Don't pick up a new case and stay clean.
So,
You've not done that. You repeatedly use over and over. You tested positive for cocaine on when? I sent you for a drug test today. You tested positive for marijuana. What else?
Just marijuana.
Just marijuana. When in prior tests, you didn't test positive for marijuana. So you are now using that as well. What am I supposed to do, Mr. Wyckoff?
I can't tell you now what to do. I mean, I ate some gummies, I messed up.
I'm sorry, I gotta take you in. I don't know what else I can do, you know? Joseph, do you have anything to
Yes,
add?
Judge. Judge, I don't know, I admonished Mr. Wyckoff early on about, the strictness of his bond conditions and not to use any illegal substances. And I'm not quite sure where the disconnect came from, but he's, had that positive test. And then you say you tested positive today as well?
Yeah. And the thing is that I would venture a guess that of all the cases that you have and that you've had with us since 2011, how much have been involved because of this one way or the other? When you get clean, good things happen. But I can't. I gotta take you in. It goes with you. All right.
I'm get a bond.
Of course, I will. I'm gonna set your bond at 5,001. Okay. All right.